Most small businesses never send a thank you email after a sale. The ones that do send something so generic customers delete it unread. Here's the truth. A well-written thank you email sent within 24 hours is one of the cheapest ways to bring a customer back. You don't need a marketing team. Just know how to use AI correctly. Why do most thank you emails fail? The typical version goes, "Thanks for your order. We appreciate your business." No personality. No reason to return. Customers have seen it 1,000 times and ignore it. Small business owners send generic emails not because they don't care, but because writing something better takes time they don't have. That's where AI comes in. But there's a right way and a wrong way to use it. Before touching any AI tool, spend 2 minutes answering one question. What do you want the customer to do next? This changes everything. If someone bought a candle for the first time, maybe you want them to leave a review and discover another product. If you just finished a roofing job, remind them about gutters and your referral program. If someone took their first yoga class, encourage them to book again. Write this down before using AI. Here's where most people go wrong. They open ChatGPT and type, "Write me a thank you email for my customers." They get back something bland and robotic. The fix is giving AI real specifics. A good prompt tells the AI who you are, what you sell, who the customer is, what they bought, your desired tone, one specific action you want, and one human detail about your business. Instead of a vague request, write a thank you email from Maria's Pet Grooming in Austin. A customer just brought in their dog for the first time. Tone, warm and playful. I want them to book their next appointment. Mention we send a photo of their dog after every visit. Sign as Maria. That takes 45 seconds and produces something that sounds like a real person. For tools, ChatGPT has a free version and $20 per month plan. It's genuinely good at sounding human when given context. The honest downside: the free version doesn't remember your business between sessions without paying for Plus. Jasper is built for marketing copy at $39 per month with no free option. It stores your brand voice so you don't reprompt everything. That's useful if you're also using it for social posts and ads, but if you're only writing a handful of emails monthly, it's more than you need. MailChimp has built-in AI if you already use them for email campaigns. It's convenient, but less capable than ChatGPT or Jasper. Use it for quick drafts, but expect more editing. Always edit AI drafts out loud before sending. If you stumble over words or detect corporate language, fix it. Check 3 things. The subject line, avoid cute or vague. Thanks for stopping by. Here's what's next works better. The personal detail, mention something specific about what this customer bought. And the call to action, just one clear next step. Don't ask them to also follow you and leave a review. Build a template folder with 3 to 5 templates for your most common situations. A retail shop might need templates for first purchase, repeat customer, big purchase, and post-event. A service business needs templates for first appointment, completed project, and referral follow-up. When something happens, grab the template, swap in 1 or 2 details, done in under 5 minutes. Most thank you emails don't get sent or get ignored. AI alone doesn't fix that. But give it the right context, edit thoroughly, and build a simple system around it. You'll create something that feels genuinely personal. A customer who feels appreciated after a purchase is far more likely to return.